Senegal are the African football champions. Best of Africa. But we'll get to that. For now, they've only just won the semi-final against Egypt. Not an easy feat, but they've done it. Well done, Lions of Teranga. Meanwhile, back on my boat Galopin, I've got my own challenges to win.
Well, I haven't had much luck with Alioune getting me the part over there in Dakar for my outboard, my little Malta outboard. And somebody here mentioned that there was another mechanic just over there by those pirogues who may be able to help me out. And I just went over there and he has the part. He has that gear. So I've got to bring the Malta over there. I'm gonna bring it with my dinghy. It's gonna be quite a row. I'm going actually downstream, but up current because the current's coming in, so it's gonna be a row. All right, outboard's in place. There isn't too much current, so it shouldn't be that rugged of a row over there. It's just over there. Let's do it. All right, here we are. It wasn't that bad of a row. Pretty easy, actually. I had a lot of oysters here. All right, let's bring this over to Babou.
And I'm trusting the dinghy will be okay there.
Abdu, fine. Ok, tu travailles ici?
Je travaille ici, mécanicien.
Okay. Ah, t'es mécanicien aussi au port? Ok.
Et là, on essaie de faire aller. Hein.
Ouais.
C'est la vie.
Tu as beaucoup de Toubabs qui viennent ici, non? Hein?
Non, pas beaucoup. Il y a d'autres qui viennent ici, mais des touristes quoi.
Ah, les touristes, oui. Ah, pour aller voir les pêcheurs.
Voir les pêcheurs, voir la nature comme ça.
Ok.
Passer.
Ok. Babou,
Oui.
merci, hein, je te dis, là, tu vas tout de suite faire ça?
Ouais.
Je peux t'attendre? Regarder? Cool. Je vais pouvoir regarder. I can watch.
I'm torn about watching. I like to watch, but don't like to be watched, especially when I'm working. Get it?
They don't have the exact part. We couldn't find the right part, the right gear to go in there. What he's proposing is to sell me the whole bottom shaft, the whole bottom part of another Malta, Yamaha Malta, for about $100. Then I have a bunch of spare parts, and I just called the Rona to make sure that it's a good deal, but it seems like that could work. He's just checking the whole thing now to make sure that it's good inside too. Don't have any problems, but as usual, no problems, only solutions. These guys are great. Ah, la turbine à mode là, elle est super.
I had him check all the sensitive parts inside the shaft, like the impeller and of course the gear. All look great, and Tyler here, who sold me the shaft, is putting it all back together. Then of course tested it.
Petit message à l'humanité. Je voulais dire aux gens, à tout un chacun, c'est que nous sommes tous des personnes. Aimons-nous les uns contre les autres. Essayons de vivre normalement parce que la vie est un don que Dieu nous a donné. Nous sommes tous des personnes égaux, qu'on soit noir, blanc, jaune, nous sommes tous des personnes.
Ensemble, on est tous ensemble.
On est tous ensemble. C'est pas un bon français, mais j'essaie.
C'est parfait, ton message est clair et juste. C'est un très bon message. Tu as tout à fait raison. On est ensemble.
On est ensemble.
Hein? Sous la couleur de la peau, on est le même sang. Hein?
On est le même sang. C'est ça. Je suis tout à fait content de cela.
Ouais.
Oui.
Et je suis très content d'avoir fait votre connaissance.
Merci
À
beaucoup.
vous tous là de m'avoir aidé avec ce problème.
Moi c'est Abdu.
Moi c'est Babou.
C'est Tala. Moi c'est Sili.
Merci les gars.
Là c'est James.
James. Un plaisir d'avoir travaillé avec vous, vous étiez génial.
On est là pour ça.
Ouais.
Il faut s'entraîner.
Voilà, je vous remercie beaucoup. Et aux autres Toubabs, aux autres marins qui viennent ici, vous venez venir ici, faire réparer vos moteurs.
Service de pêche Ziguinchor.
Voilà,
Ouais, c'est l'adresse.
c'est l'adresse, service de pêche de Ziguinchor. Ok.
Not sure about these kids. They may have tried to take my dinghy. When I got back to the water's edge, my dinghy was moved and there was this kid by it. According to him, some boys had taken it and it was floating away and he saved it. So you did, buddy. Thanks. Now take me home.
Right. totally successful mission. Get the dinghy working. A little helpers here. I'm gonna bring it back to shore and take a dip in the river, wash up a little bit. I know it's kind of strange to swim in this river, but it's not bad. C'est les oiseaux qui amènent les poissons là. Ah, tu veux manger ça? Non. C'était bien?
Il y a beaucoup de téléphones.
J'ai beaucoup de téléphones. J'ai des deux téléphones.
Petit et grand.
Voilà. Bon, viens, te ramène. Dis à la caméra comment tu t'appelles.
Je m'appelle Alioune.
Alioune. Ok. Alioune, c'est mon ami. Moi, je m'appelle Alex.
Alioune was a natural-born sailor, and it was time for him to go home. I gave him a reward for saving my dinghy and sent him off. Tonight is my 65th birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Here we are avec
Alex.
Mohamed. Et la magnifique Mana qui est là. Alors, on a chacun un filet de bœuf pour Mana et moi. Nous, on aime la viande. Ouais. Mohamed est un petit peu... poulet. Et Mohamed ne savait pas ce que c'était de la purée.
Non.
Faut que tu goûtes la purée de pommes de terre.
I've been doing this YouTube sailing channel thing for 10 years now. And here I am with just the people I would want to be with tonight.
Je suis accompagné d'une vieille femme de 24 ans. Qu'est-ce que je vais faire? J'ai toujours été attiré par les vieilles. Un vieux de 32.
Ouais. Et un jeune de 20 ans.
Et un jeune de 20 ans. Well, that's the sad state of my Genoa. I think I'm going to bring it down and put it away and use a storm sail when I go back up to that car. Man. Well, good morning, Casamance. Today's job is to finish yesterday's job. That is putting away that Genoa. Storm bag, sheets, and the bottom half of my dinghy engine. And then I've got to go and get a piece of paper to certify that I paid the fee to use these waters. Yesterday, a boat from the Maritime Affairs came here and asked me if I had paid the fee or tax to use these waters. I didn't know that you had to do that. So I said no. So he sent me to the Maritime office, which I went to. Very nice gentleman, and I paid him. The only thing is I paid 100,000 CFA. That means about $170. And I said, well, how long is this good for? He says, it's good for a month. I said, a month? So I was pretty lucky because he didn't charge me for 2 months that I've been here already. I've already been here about 2 months. So he said, oh, you're good until, for a month. So I'm not going to complain. But at the same time, man, it's a little expensive. The other thing is, I need to get some water to fill up my tanks. And I can do that by docking or getting near the hotel, and they can lend me the hose and I can fill up with water. That would be awesome. So I got to organize that too today. Gonna be busy. Well, pretty crazy as it seems, I'm gonna try to dock as close as possible to the Hotel Cadia du Magne, and they're gonna hand over a hose and I'm gonna fill up with fresh water. Now this is a maneuver that's gonna be a little tricky because there's currents and everything, so let's see what happens. Well, look at this. I did it. Thanks to Jupiter here. Huh? This is great. Unbelievable. Tricky here, man. It's tough. I'm filling up right here at the Hotel Cadia du Magne. Man, it's tricky because when I first got here, there was some current, and then the current went away, so I had to maneuver. But now I'm just tied up and got the anchor at the bow, and we're just filling up. This is amazing. Cool.
This was the event of the year for Senegal. They were playing in the Africa Cup final against Morocco, the host nation. Senegal was denied a goal by the ref, Then the same ref gave Morocco a penalty kick minutes later. Senegal was outraged by the injustice. The Moroccan striker missed the penalty kick. The game went into overtime until Senegal finally struck the winning goal. Justice had been served. Senegals are the kings of African football. What a time to be here, people.
Yesterday when I went to fill up with water at the Hotel Quai du Magne, I needed to hoist the anchor, lift the anchor up. But the windlass wasn't working. Yep, that's the windlass and it wasn't working. No power. I messed with it, and finally I got it working and it was able to lift up the anchor, got the water, and now I'm back here. I want to go and visit the islands over there in the Delta. And the windlass isn't working again. Let's get this working. I'm gonna clean this all up right. I think once again it's a blessing. I'm gonna have to wait an extra day and fix this. But check this out. I think I know why it's not working. Luckily, I have a spare part and I can replace it and it should be working. Oh, look at that. Even got a little cap on it. Keep it nice and clean in there. Hopefully corrosion free. I just got to install it. I'm just missing some of these things. I got to find some of these connectors.
I did, and look where we are.
Okay. Can you hear the music? We got a special guest today. Mana. That's here with us. We're gonna go for a little afternoon sail around the mangroves.
Agarra o braço e dança aleluia. Vai, baby, vai, baby. Me, baby, baby. Finish this out.
Mana is digging the Galopin vibe. She'll be the new crew member on our next African adventures.
Hello, welcome to Galopin. These are our studios, man. This is where the magic happens. It's humble, but it gets the job done. It's because of the great people like you on Patreon who make this happen. This Living Adventure series. I hope you'll join our community. We've got some extra perks like live updates, news, photos, videos, and I've even taken a stab at writing some short stories which are not for general audiences on YouTube. And our friend Graham from Australia set up a WhatsApp chat to aptly called Galopin's Cockpit. Guys from all over have joined, and it's this community that's contributing to the continuation of this Living Adventure series. If not, you can always watch us for free on YouTube. Make sure to give us a like or a dislike, make a comment, make your opinion heard. I'll try to get back to you.
Thanks for watching this episode of Winded Voyage, a real living adventure series. It's not fake, baby.